In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set stop loss on TradeLocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up TradeLocker like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this. Here you'll need to go over to the panel section and need to go down to auto panel. From here, it should bring something like this, where you can see this page right here. From here, you'll need to open it up like so. From here, you can choose whichever instrument or symbol that you want to trade or set the stop loss to. Just gonna choose Adidas for this example. Then from here you can see you'll have the market and a pending. If you choose market and buy, you can see down here that you will have stop loss. Once you click on that, you will see and can edit the stop loss right here if you want to do that. And you can also do that the same things with take profit. Once you've done that, you will need to click buy down here, and from here you'll see the position has now opened. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please come down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!